Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and most trusted tech, tools, and gear that enhance your lifestyle. Whether it's cutting-edge electronics, outdoor innovations, or premium home solutions, we make sure you get the information you need to make the right choices. In today's video, we are reviewing a luxurious and highly durable outdoor structure, the EROMMY 14 feet wide by 24 feet deep Pro Series aluminum patio gazebo. This hardtop gazebo offers all-season protection, an elegant look, and impressive resilience. If you're thinking about upgrading your backyard, patio, or garden space, stay tuned as we walk through every important detail of this product. The EROMMY 14 by 24 patio gazebo makes a bold statement the moment you see it. Its size alone gives it presence, but the design and materials make it stand out. This is not a temporary or lightweight canopy. It is a full-scale outdoor structure designed to last for years and offer protection from sun, rain, snow, and wind. From the color palette to the detailed finishes, the gazebo presents itself as a premium addition to any backyard or garden. Whether used for entertaining or relaxing, this gazebo immediately signals both durability and sophistication. The construction quality of this gazebo is impressive. EROMMY has used a powder-coated aluminum frame with a wood-look finish. This gives it the natural charm of real wood while avoiding common problems like decay, splitting, or termite damage. The aluminum does not rust, and the powder coating helps it resist fading and corrosion. The roof is made of galvanized steel, which offers exceptional strength and can handle snow accumulation and strong wind conditions. This combination of materials ensures long-term reliability and low maintenance. From a design perspective, the gazebo balances a natural wood appearance with modern structure. The faux wood finish on the aluminum posts adds warmth and texture, creating a cozy and elegant feel. The double roof design enhances airflow and cooling while helping reduce wind resistance. It is a design that fits well in both classic garden spaces and contemporary patios. Whether you are creating a quiet escape or a festive gathering area, this gazebo delivers both beauty and utility. Functionality is where this gazebo truly shines. It features a double-track system that allows you to move the mesh netting and curtains independently. This means you can control airflow and privacy with ease. Each post comes with 3 binding straps, letting you tie back any combination of the netting or curtains. The roof includes U&J hooks, which allow you to hang lights, fans, or decorative elements to personalize your space. These small details add a lot of value and flexibility, making the gazebo more than just a shelter. This gazebo is built to handle all types of weather. The galvanized steel roof blocks harmful UV rays and withstands heavy rain and snow. The integrated drainage system channels water from the roof through the columns and down to the ground. This feature prevents water buildup and protects both the structure and the people inside. The triangular base design adds extra support and stability, especially useful for uneven ground or areas with strong wind. The overall build quality ensures you can rely on it year-round. Installing this gazebo is a significant project. It is not something you can do solo or in a couple of hours. You will need at least 2 to 3 people and plenty of time to assemble it properly. The instructions are generally easy to follow, but some parts are large and heavy. EROMMY includes anchor and mounting hardware, which helps if you're installing it on concrete or a deck. However, foundation materials are not included, so you will need to prepare the site in advance. Be sure to inspect all parts before you begin, as some users have reported receiving damaged components. This gazebo comes with useful accessories right out of the box. You get the side curtains and mesh screens, which are great for blocking insects and creating privacy. Mounting anchors are included, which helps secure the structure to the ground. However, it does not include flooring or any foundation materials. Depending on your setup, you may need to purchase extra materials to prepare your installation surface. Still, what you get provides a strong foundation for a complete outdoor space. Customer feedback provides valuable insight into real-world use. One reviewer praised the final appearance and found the instructions easy to follow. However, they had an issue with one bent panel and found customer service slow to respond. Replies came only late at night and often took an entire day between responses. Another user noted that the screen which came with the gazebo eventually ripped and they needed to order a replacement. These reviews suggest checking all pieces before beginning assembly and being prepared for some delays in customer service. The size and versatility of this gazebo allow it to serve many different purposes. You can turn it into an outdoor dining room, a poolside lounge, a relaxing reading nook, or even a backyard workspace. Its weather protection and privacy features make it ideal for almost any activity. You can entertain guests, host celebrations, or simply enjoy a peaceful evening under the shelter. It also works well for commercial settings like cafes or small outdoor venues. Its versatility adds to its long-term value. Let's summarize the pros and cons. The advantages include a high-quality aluminum frame with a realistic wood finish, a weather-resistant steel roof, excellent airflow and drainage design, and useful included features like curtains and mounting anchors. The double roof ventilation, accessory hooks, and strong structural base are standout benefits. On the downside, installation is time-consuming and requires help. Replacement part delays and slow customer service are common complaints. You will also need to supply your own base or flooring materials. Despite these drawbacks, the overall value remains strong. In conclusion, the EROMMY 14x24 Pro Series Aluminum Patio Gazebo is a premium solution for anyone wanting to upgrade their outdoor living space. It looks great, performs well, and stands up to harsh conditions. The natural wood look without the maintenance, combined with weather resistance and thoughtful features, makes it a reliable investment. As long as you prepare your foundation and check all parts before installation, this gazebo should meet your needs and elevate your backyard for years to come. Here are some tips to consider before making your purchase. First, measure your outdoor space carefully to ensure the gazebo fits your layout. Second, plan to set aside a full weekend with help for the installation process. Third, inspect all parts as soon as they arrive and document any damage immediately. Fourth, think about how you want to use the space so you can plan lighting, furniture, and accessories accordingly. Lastly, be ready to source your own base materials if your setup requires extra support or protection. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the EROMMY 14 feet wide by 24 feet deep Pro Series Aluminum Patio Gazebo here on Tech Goods. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified when we post more reviews on outdoor products, tech gadgets, and home improvement solutions. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this gazebo, leave a comment below. We look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring smart solutions with Tech Goods.